Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your browser or tab manager supports split screen. This saves time and avoids surprises. Open the two pages you want to view, then drag the first tab to the left edge of the window. Once it snaps, drag the second tab to the right. Make sure to release when you see the split indicator so each tab occupies one half. This immediate action gets you into the split workflow, so you can proceed to fine adjustments without delay. Once done snapping both tabs, focus on alignment and usability. Grab the divider and drag to redistribute space for content you prioritize because visual balance matters. Make use of keyboard shortcuts if your browser offers them. These speed up precise snapping and repositioning. If you need stable reference content, lock or freeze one pane to prevent accidental navigation. Also, consider zoom level adjustments per pane, so to finish, save the layout or workspace when available so you can reopen the split configuration later. This preserves your workflow. Make sure interactive elements work, test links and forms in each pane. If one pane fails to render, refresh, or reopen that tab, often that clears transient issues. If problems persist, disable suspected extensions or restart the browser. This resolves many conflicts. Finally, remember to revert zoom or pane locks when you no longer need split view, so normal browsing returns smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.